Uno, dos, tres.
I was raised.
Hey!
Well, Ronnie Drew and Van the Man. I go
Hey,
on
Milwaukee!
to Sunday, and then it's back to the pub on
Milwaukee! 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 Hey, Rocky, you know you're Rocky, the best festival out there.
True.
We're back again, and we're gonna have even more fun if that's at all possible this year.
Cousin from Killarney.
We'll be playing songs of the new CD called Cabbage.
Cabbage. Cabbage.
Cabbage. They try to make it.
So brand new material, brand new everything. Pat's gonna be brand new.
I'm gonna be brand new, get a haircut, get my nails done, pedicure.
Full makeover.
Full makeover.
Yeah.
I was raised upon these stories since I was the age of 9.
It's the greatest time you will ever have. We promise.
Uncle Barney's father's brother had a cousin from
Milwaukee, Milwaukee, Milwaukee. Come on down to the Milwaukee Irish Festival. Fest. 2010.
She kept the tea shop way down in Bantry, but he fixed a race in Donegal and now he's got to hide with the sticky buns and cakes and guns and whiskey on the side. My mother's brothers, sisters, cousins, aunties, Uncle Barney's father's brother had a cousin from Killarney.
Milwaukee, Milwaukee,